Hey guys, welcome to another Creature Craft, and today we're making this really cool spider craft.
I like spiders because they make really cool webs. They're great builders, and I love to build too. We're gonna make a spider and a spider web. Here's what you're gonna need. So, we're gonna need a glue gun, a pencil, scissors, pipe cleaners, pom-poms, googly eyes, 2 different colors of string, a hole punch, and a paper plate. First, let's make the spider, who creates the web itself. And we'll start with the legs. Take 2 pieces of pipe cleaners and fold them in half. Cut them so you have 4 that are equal length. Wrap a tiny piece of pipe cleaner around those and ta-da! You have your 8 legs. All spiders have 8 legs. Some are long, some short, and some really hairy. But if it's a spider, it's definitely got 8 legs. So bend the spider legs so they look all spidery and springy and zigzaggy with joints and segments. So bend up here, bend down here, and maybe a bend down here, like that. And now the spider needs a body. That's where the pom-poms come in. Attach the pom-pom to the place where all the legs come together. Use the glue gun for that. And you can add another segment to the body. All spiders have 2 segments to their bodies, but you can do whatever you want. Keep that glue gun going to add some googly eyes to the spider. Another cool thing about spiders is that they can have up to 8 eyes. That's crazy, right? So many eyes. So many eyes. Now that we've made the spider, time to make the web. First, you want to find something that you can spin your web on, like a paper plate. Punch some holes around a paper plate like this. Spiders always need to build their webs on branches or something solid to attach their silk to. So the paper plate with holes is like that, something you can build the web on. And don't forget a hole in the middle. And now we're ready to weave. Spiders can make many different types of silk, but today we're focusing on 2. The strong one that builds up the structure, and the sticky silk to catch the prey. First, pick a string color for the strong silk and make the structure. Weave the string through the holes of the paper plate like this, and go all the way around. Now for the sticky silk, the bug-catching silk, or the human-catching silk. Anyway, pick a color of your choice. Oh no. Start it on one of the holes and work around and around like a spiral. As you get to the structure one, wrap it around so it holds. Then go to the next. Keep going round and round in a spiral until you get all the way to the middle. You'll have to adjust it a little as you go, but you'll get there. A spider always does. And that's how the spider makes its web with 2 different types of silk. Now all that's left to do is put this guy on the web. I also made these 2 spiders, who are a tiny bit different, with several more eyes and only 1 unit of their body. There are over 46,000 different kinds of spiders in the world, and they all look different, so make your spider and web look any way you want. Well, that's another Creature Craft for you. See you next time! Make sure to like and subscribe for more Creature Crafts.